How to find QR on Discord PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can get QR on Discord PC. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If you are already logged into your account on Discord and if you're wondering how you can get the QR in order to log into different account, so for that first of all you have to log out your current account. So head towards your user settings, and once you're here, navigate to this menu bar on your left and there click on logout and then confirm by clicking on logout button again. Once you're logged out, you will land on the login portal. Here you will find the QR code right here. So all you have to do is you have to scan this with the Discord mobile application to log in instantly. So if you are logged in with your account in your mobile device, open Discord there and then scan this QR code right here. After that, you'll be logged in directly. So that's the way to find Discord QR code, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.